Alright, so you're probably wondering why you've just walked in on a tourist confidently attacking Ugandan bananas like she's auditioning for MasterChef Safari Edition. Welcome to wherever this is. We're definitely in Uganda. The bats confirmed it, but the rest of the details. Look, we're discovering this together. This is Hannah. First time in Uganda, zero experience making banana juice, but somehow she grabbed the ball before any Ugandan could say, my friend, are you sure?
Go Hannah, go Hannah, go Hannah.
Before we even begin, step 1 is essential. Remove all jewelry. We can't have your engagement ring ending up in the bananas, unless of course you're proposing to the juice. Now this is where it gets serious. While a blender spins at 10,000 rotations per minute, a Ugandan hand squeezes at 10,000 emotions per minute. Stress, gone. Frustrations, squeezed out. Gym membership, cancelled. Unlike the blender, which sounds like it's trying to take off Heathrow, our method is silent, smooth, and comes with free aromatherapy. There you have it! Ugandan juice, handmade, heartfelt, and absolutely worth removing your jewelry for.